The first point in the reconstruction of a three-dimensional object in virtual reality is taking photos. I have taken this nice turtle, and here I have a photo camera. Any photo camera is good. I set this photo camera to about 3 pictures per second, and then we just doing like painting. Let us start. We press the button that now it makes photos, and you go so around like you would like to paint this turtle. Also from below, to see the orientation of the camera does not play any role. You can have it in any angle you want. It is just necessary that you take pictures from all sides like this. Here from below. And from the back. Now it's almost done. So from above also. And this is it. The next step is now with the computer. Now the computer has made the first evaluation of the data. This is called the so-called sparse cloud, and we now have to eliminate the unnecessary points so that in the next step the computation will go much faster. We choose now here a kind of lasso tool, freeform selection, and then just put away our table, delete, and here we don't need this table, we need only our turtle. Hit, delete. Let us make it larger here, here, and here. Oops. And here. Let us turn a little around. We go back to the rotating mode. You see the turtle is quite nice. We hope it shall be fine. It shall be fine. We can delete also the points here. And that's more or less fine. Maybe just a little here, but it's more or less okay. It's also a very good practice to look from far. You can make it smaller if there are some points far away. You see, there is a lot of points far away. We have to delete also those, so that we don't need them at all. So let us make it even smaller. Still a lot of points. So now it looks good. Let us rotate a little. Yes, there is still some here to remove. So let's check again. Now it looks quite nice. I don't see any points. Now let us make it larger. This is our turtle. Let us save the project. And we can proceed to the next step. Next step will be making the dense cloud and the 3D model. We just choose here workflow, batch process, I have it already programmed, and we choose that for the dense model. Here that's raster up, dense cloud, and that's all. Now it works. So now there are still some hours to wait. This is the end of this step. Now the computer has finished calculation of the three-dimensional objects, and we see the result here. You see the turtle on the desk looks quite nice. You can make it a little larger. Let's have a look. It is interesting that though we deleted the points of the table, nevertheless here is something of the table depicted. But this is not important for us. Now we see the object together with the textures. This means with the picture on it. If I make it like this, now we see just the wire mesh, and now we see the faces of the 3D model. So it looks. We can export. We go now back here, and we shall export this as an object file, as a model. We go to File, Export, and Export Model, and we write here turtle object. Okay, save, and just let us save. Wait a little. So, and now in the next step we shall bring this into our 3D modeling software. Now we shall load our model into the program for three-dimensional modeling. Let us import. We have here this one. Wait a little that it imports the mesh data, and put it to the screen. So, and edit and have a look. Let us first check the orientation. Yes, the orientation, and from this side we shall probably, yes, we have to rotate it so that bottom is on the bottom. So, and then look from the other side too, a little so. So, and a little so. This looks quite good here. Yeah, that's good. Here. It looks quite nice. So, now we have to remove the unnecessary polygons. We can simply mask them and remove them away. And remove them. Split masked points. We can delete the masked points. Delete. Okay, so it's better now. We can enlarge it now and remove also the bottom of the table that we don't need. So, split mask points and remove that one too. Delete. So, now there is the turtle, but as you see it has no bottom, so we have to make it all the time polygons. Let us make polymesh 3D, and here fill the polygons below. Geometry. Here Dynamesh, and put it more exact, so about 600. And so, yes, it was quite good. Now it's already prepared for the export for the three-dimensional program. Let us export it. Again, just check subtool, yes, it's only this one, and export. We can overwrite that one. Yes. This is our turtle, modified one. It is quite small. Let us make it larger first. To scale it for 10 times. So, and let us put it on the bottom. So, and now it's already here. It's a nice looking turtle. We just we just make it for 3D printing. We can edit here printer settings and so on, but this depends on your printer, and so we can produce model as large as we want and with the material we want. So this is all for today. Thank you very much.